Hey, what up guys, T-Man96 here, carry on with our computer build project. So as you see right there, that is a copy of Windows 7 Home Premium that came in. And right there, it's just my case. I installed the power supply. Here is the Intel i5. I couldn't really get the name there because stupid me didn't hold it up that long. Got some Corsair Vengeance, that's 8 gig, compatible with i3, i5, and i7s. Right here is our EVGA GT640, which is a very nice graphics card. As you can see, it's pretty small, but it does the job really well. And after we move on, I think right there is the optical drive. It's an Asus, just DVD burner, basic stuff, not no Blu-ray, nothing. Right here is the 1TB Corsair Black Caviar, and it's a very good hard drive. And let's see, I think right now I'm opening up the motherboard case. The motherboard is a Z77 Extreme 4, and as you can see right here, it is built for fast LAN, fast USB, and fast RAM. So Photoshop or Cinema 4D, whatever, Vegas. And right here is just some stuff going over the back of it. Yeah. This is a very short video. I'm just showing you all the parts I got. But yeah, so if you're still looking at those, go ahead and read those. And right here, this is really cool. This card, or the motherboard, does a program where it uses your GPU and your integrated thing, and it like use them together. You're like 30% to 70% more frames. Right here's just a software setup guide. And as I get an email, right there is a quick installation with a DVD and a nice sticker. And can myself open up the case yet? Oh no, that right there, I didn't know what it was, but it was actually an SLI. Those are two SATA 3 6GB cables for like SSDs or hard drives. And right here, that's just a basic plate for it. It's a nice little plate. Actually has some nice colors and stuff. Blends in with the case. And right here is the motherboard itself. It is a very, very nice motherboard, I have to say. It has PCI Express 3.0, which is perfect for a GT 600, because only the 600 series has PCI Express in it. Just man. If you're wondering why I'm getting all this, because actually I built a PC already. I'm actually right now using Vegas on it, and I'm not gonna. I will be doing some videos, but I'd rather just continue the series even though it's already built. I just rather, because people always wonder. But yeah, and that is just a bunch of boxes I got. That's where I'm going to put all my warranties and stuff in it. Being mine, yeah, it's bad quality, the video. I have a Apple iPod, which I was using to record all my stuff. As I open up my email. And yeah, so there's just a bunch of cables and stuff. But yes, so that's all of it for right now. I will carry on the series with the build, but at the moment it is already built, and yes, it works amazing. I will have all the benchmarks and everything probably in the next video or so. So just showing you where I got it from, but after this I'm just gonna say peace out guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this. See ya.